Another beautiful day here in Bali, guys. I'm just arrived to Nusa Dua, to BTDC complex. Gonna walk between the beach and the hotels and let's see what's going on around. Meanwhile, I can hear some loud music from the first hotel called Merusaka. And this is the Merusaka hotel, the government-owned hotel in the Nusa Dua. And actually the music is not coming from here, from the different hotel somewhere, or maybe actually from here. There are already some tourists enjoying their time by the beach. That's for sure. So a lot of improvements. Literally, I can hear some very loud music somewhere in the background. I don't know where this music coming from. I'm gonna find out. Nowadays, I'm trying to walk about 10 kilometers a day. Currently, I'm doing on the level between 8-10. So why not? Plenty of time and beautiful weather today to walk, because it's windy, and if it's windy, it's not like, you know, very quiet. It's not that hot. It's still hot, but at least wind keeping you cool a little bit. Meanwhile, the beach in Nusa Dua is actually very beautiful for everyone thinking to come to Nusa Dua to one of the hotels over there. You can expect something like this one, which is really nice. Another hotel, what is over here, this is the Hyatt in Nusa Dua. Hyatt is huge hotel, but I think half of the hotel is pretty quiet still. However, not sure. Let's get into swimming pool direction. By the way, the beach here is so clean, so white, and so soft white sand. That's one of the best beaches in Bali, actually, in Nusa Dua. I know there are so many big resorts here, and many people, that's because of this resort, they cannot come in here. However, the beach is public, so you can actually come and enjoy. You don't have to stay in the hotels around. However, if you're gonna stay, well, that's beneficial. And I think over there is the water blow. There's like a little peninsula, little rock, huge rock, and I think there is some sort of music festival. So by the way, all of this still belongs to the Hyatt in Nusa Dua. They have a huge gardens and the music is getting louder and louder. Actually, I'm not sure if I can film next to the festival over there, but definitely I'm gonna show you the Melia Hotel and the Laguna Collection Hotel. Meanwhile, this is the area already of swimming pool of Grand Hyatt. Here we go. This is the swimming pool of the Grand Hyatt Hotel. We've been actually here during the pandemic a few times, enjoying the swimming pool facilities and access to the beach. It's very nice, but well, it was busier during the, you know, when everything was closed. This hotel was open, it was just definitely busier. However, there are definitely some guests staying deep inside already. And overall it's beautiful, old, little bit old, but the beautiful promenade to walking peacefully around, not so many people. Whenever I'm making video in this area in BTDC Nusa Dua, I'm always hearing some people complaining as this area is full of the expensive resorts, which is somehow true. However, this promenade and the access to the beach and everything is totally free of charge and open to public, so you don't need to stay here to come and enjoy. Wow, the music is very loud actually. So anyway, anyone can come. Of course, there are some sunbeds between the hotels. Usually belongs to this hotel, so you cannot use them if you're not staying in the hotel. However, if you want to sunbath and swim and you don't want to use this certain sunbeds, just come and enjoy, and it's totally free of charge. Of course, it's different than this one, the promenade in Sanur or in Seminyak or in Legion. However, it's very enjoyable, especially if you like to quiet area like this one, because there are not many people around. Behind me is some festival. I think the last weekend was the same summer festival in Sanur, and now it's in Nusa Dua. I think every week is different location in month of August. However, I'm staying very far and it's so loud music, so definitely not suitable for video. However, you can expect something like that right now in 2022, because 2020, 2021 was nothing around, so quiet. Now, do you remember when during pandemic I used to walk here and everything was totally deserted and destroyed by the erosion from the ocean and just terribly looking? Now it's coming back slowly. I mean, the construction over there is still, there is closed without construction. However, some bar is open and also the promenade here, what was destroyed by erosion, is fixed. Let's see how's the Pirates Bay. Okay, maybe it's not fixed 100%, however, at least it's cleaned up and secured, because previously it was not even secured. So, well, okay, then actually still broken. They never fixed this. They just secured and cleaned a little bit. So you have to be careful when you come here. It looks a little bit devastated, and well, as I was expecting, not much left from the Pirates Bay, guys. So actually this one looks more sad than I was expecting, or maybe than I was hoping. This is the Pirates Bay for everyone who love this place. Currently, like this one, very sad view. This was the boat, Pirates Bay, guys. I mean, and the promenade also in terrible shape. Actually, nobody fixed it since last year. So yeah, actually still kind of sad over here. And also for everyone who are thinking, as G20 is coming in next 2 months, nobody will come here from G20 conference, presidents or any other very important people, because they're gonna stay in Kempinski, Nusa Dua, which is behind BTDC, and everything there looks beautiful. So yeah, but it's pretty sad, because this is very tourist area between very nice hotels like Hyatt and Melia, and well, I hope they already fixed it, but seems like not many tourists come back yet to Nusa Dua. The choppers only flying around, and this is already the part of Melia. Very nice hotel. We also vlogged here last time when I was with Winnie. We had coffee and snack there. And this is the part of the restaurant and the bar of Melia. We used to vlog here last time, actually quite long, so today just little shot around. No, actually it's nice, always nice, and it's quite many people in Melia. Melia is one of the best hotels around here. Also many Europeans, especially the Spanish people coming here. Obviously this is the Spanish brand. Actually quite busy, I could say, and very nice place indeed. I'm gonna show you a little bit. 180 degree, kind of successful place, I could say, actually, indeed. Another one, Laguna collection, or Laguna luxury collection. This is part of the Marriott hotel for everyone who are the Marriott members. Actually, I know a lot of people are Marriott members because they have a very nice program. And well, very nice hotel, but not as that busy as Melia. Melia, for some reason, it was always, until now, is very popular. But I'm gonna tell you, very nice, beautiful hotel, great place for chilling with the beautiful gazebos, whatever you call this, for chilling. You can have a massage, or just enjoying a drink, or just chilling and watching the beautiful ocean. Actually, very nice gardens and very peaceful vibe over here. And the next hotel after the Laguna is Westin, another very beautiful hotel. Actually, all of the hotels here are pretty nice, beautiful, and in general very cozy. Well, the price tag is like $200 around per night, something like that. But well, the biggest discourage of these places is for many people is that as everything is like resorts, so there's not much local vibe. You have to really go out from the complex to get to the city and enjoy the local Bali vibe. This one is more like a resort, and most likely just for the typical resort holidays. No exploration too much. The guy wanna sell you something, I don't know what, however he wants to sell you something. And also somebody gonna have a beautiful romantic dinner over here. Ooh, it's already getting busy. Oh, the nice place, I have to say. It's been a while actually when we used to stay in any kind of resorts with Winnie. I think that was at the beginning of the pandemic when everything was closed. There was so many deals. However, it's kind of useless, pointless, I mean, staying when we are living in Bali to coming to the hotels in Bali, right? Another one is Nusa Dua Beach Resort Hotel and Spa Complex. Very long name, however, that's how it is. I think this one is actually one of the cheapest one, and you can get already for as little as $50 per night, or at least maybe $70, $80 per night. Something between 700 to 1 million, I think. I'm not sure, I guess. However, even it's still one of the cheapest and the most affordable. If you want to have a coconut by the beach, you have to pay 40,000 rupiah, which is equivalent of about 350 American dollars. So well, that's Nusa Dua overall situation, but the beach and the background and the vibe, beautiful, right? The next hotel on the list over here is Sofitel Nusa Dua. Also very nice place. Actually had a friend who stayed, a couple of my friends who stay there here in Sofitel about a month ago for the birthday for 2 or 3 days, all-inclusive option, and they was very happy and satisfied, and they said it's very worth the money. However, I forgot how much they pay, but seems like also quite a lot of people are enjoying here because I can see they're enjoying the time by the beach. Mostly people who are here, they are guests indoor, they are staying over here. So also what I realized in this hotel, to compare to the other hotels, the average age are like 50, 60, something like that. There definitely not so many young people actually in this specific hotel. Not sure why it's like that, however it is how it is. Oh, okay, actually there are young people here too. There is like a little beach club, so the sunbeds on older people, and there is the loud music and everything. They are younger people. Everything that's actually made work. If you are looking for the general vibe in Bali right now, Uluwatu, Canggu, all the beach club totally makes sense. And I think Sofitel is the last hotel in this part of Nusa Dua. But over there is, I think, Med or something like that. Let's have a look. And the last hotel actually on the list over here is Club Med, not Med, but Club Med. And there seems like a big event. Also, there's some local sellers here. Seems like it's gonna be huge event today because they're preparing so many seats and the steam and whatever. Something big is coming here tonight. Not sure, but there's like a few hundred people. Very loud music, of course. Anyways, when I was here last time, the Club Med was totally fully closed. There was like a big fence and nothing around. But now they are working on something, which is a big improvement. And this is the last hotel on the in Nusa Dua and BTDC complex. Then will be exit from this closed complex and the Tanjung Benoa, which is another part of Nusa Dua, however different kind of hotels around. And I also used to vlog there some time ago. You can have a look for my old videos. Hello. Some people trying to sell you some water activities because over there Tanjung Benoa is very popular for the water sports in Bali. Behind me some people playing volleyball, and that's overall general situation in Nusa Dua and the hotels, resort vibe. Many people coming to resorts to just enjoying and don't doing much, just chilling. Guys, that's how it is. Everyone gonna find something for yourself. Everybody likes something different. And Bali, to compare to the other destinations for holidays, so many various cities. You can find whatever you like. Anyways, I make already 3.5 kilometers on this promenade, so another 3.5 to come back to the car. So 7, 8 kilometers today. Probably I'm gonna hit up to 10 kilometers today because wanna work later in sun a little bit again when it's already night. So meanwhile, yeah, overall very nice place, right? Thank you so much for listening today a little bit longer if you stay till the end, and as always I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.